Hello and welcome back to our live reaction for Reborn as a Vending Machine episode 12. I'm X Creek, that's Azalfan and Caddy.
Hello.
Hello.
Alright, let's begin. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh?
What happened last episode?
I forgot.
I think they're joining force to clear the ghost town or something.
I think so, yes.
Oh yeah. They're trying to find the king of soul or something.
Hmm.
Welcome, watchers, to that one time we decided to watch 3 episodes of this key anime about vending machine, and we end up watching all the way to the end.
Yeah.
Oh, you can? Mhm. What is
What's
that?
this? Gasoline? Oh,
Yeah, what? Oh, water? Or is it gasoline?
I think it's
it
gasoline.
gotta be gasoline, right?
Oh, yeah, that's
And
not
also it's
water,
different.
definitely.
What is it?
That's gasoline, probably.
Is it? Yeah, it is gasoline. Though.
Yeah.
Whoa! Holy crap!
Yo, at least
Yeah, that's dangerous.
let them move back a bit before you do that. What is that a throw? Huh?
Yeah, that's a throne. Is that a 3D skeleton?
No.
No, the Lich, the Soul King one.
Uh,
Bunny.
well. Ooh.
What?
Oh, here we go.
It's okay, we have the hero.
Yeah, well, there you go. It'll hold. You can speak? You didn't realize that?
Nope.
What did you think it was?
Yeah. What do you think it was? Like a packaging?
Man, this Soul King is no joke.
Uh-oh.
No geomancy.
Uh-oh. Oh. Well,
Man, this Soul King is 3-armed.
How
he
many
has a lot
elements
of
do you have?
hands.
Yeah, it's armed to the bone.
Yes.
Good thing she get over her fear of ghosts and skeleton last episode. What?
Use something else?
What cracked just now? What got destroyed just now? One of the plates?
I think.
Uh-oh.
To the next stratum then.
What can you change into? Oh, something lighter.
lighter.
Small thing.
Why did you change like into that like 5 minutes
All
ago?
the time.
Or all the time? Why are you I mean, I think there's like a limited time, right? Usually.
Yeah.
Like a maximum of
But
like
the
1
time
hour
limit
or
is
something.
hours.
Yeah.
And that was like before he beat the second boss at half level up, you know. What now?
You just going to throw him?
Yeah.
Oh no, okay.
Oh. Holy
Well,
crap. And we're not even halfway. through this episode.
Well, that was easy.
Yeah.
You fools! I'm not the Soul King. I'm just the Soul Prince or something.
Does he drop a coin? Oh, okay.
Soul
Oh,
King, right?
You're just a bones.
he was never alive in the first place, though.
Ah,
Uh-oh. What is...
Oh, what magic is it? Spirit Bomb! Dark Spirit Bomb!
Is it like
Gravity Bomb.
gravity magic or something?
Yeah, I think so. Like Graphija or something.
Yeah. Oh.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Okay, it's over.
uh,
Dark Thorn!
is it in my final form?
Ah, okay.
This is someone else or...
Oh, this is my
Oh.
second form. Whoa!
Out of ice and just transform again.
This is my second form.
Oh.
High Eins.
Nah. I'm the real Soul King. Oh, no, okay. Oh, okay, this is different.
Oh, he dropped a coin.
Yeah.
You can have it. Go buy some tea or something. Aren't you doing the exact thing?
Why are you running away, though? Oh, is he trying to, like...
Sneaking.
Yeah. Yep. Surprise
attack skill.
attack! Oh,
Does
nope.
it work?
It's not very effective.
Let's try.
Oof.
Ouch.
That's just my after image. Oh, holy crap, that was close.
Oh. Nope.
No, not yet.
I don't think that... Ooh, that's a big explosion for such a small amount of fuel.
Yeah. It's not very effective.
What the crap is going on?
Oh.
No!
No, barrier.
The dark hit.
Oh, no barrier.
How did he survive that then?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
What?
Ah.
Force lightning.
Oh.
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 Dead.
Okay.
Oh. Oh.
Now things are getting interesting.
Hmm.
Oh.
Whoa, this like Dragon Ball.
Too
I cannot even
fast.
see them with my blind eye. I mean, naked eye.
Hmm. You do?
What's your plan? Because none of your things worked this episode.
Uh, well, it worked against the Soul King. Oh,
Oh,
Ah. Oh, what does it mean? Yes, believe.
hmm?
oh,
What is?
what's that?
What's in there?
So small.
What's the point of?
Balloon.
No, what's the point of the
Oh.
last transformation?
Oh, he makes balloons.
Hmm? Oh, okay.
You can do things like this. Oh.
Not enough. Oh,
Oh, it cracked. Wow.
My arm.
my staff arm thing.
Wait, why did you cancel your magic?
You know, the usual. Like the wizard needs their staff, right? That's
So
it.
he just ran away?
You just you can't cast anything else.
She's okay, right?
I don't know. I don't think this is the kind of anime that'll just
Yeah, the main character is a freaking machine.
yeah.
Oh, CPR, nice. Might be too late though, because how many minutes have passed by now?
Hmm. Do you have like a?
Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
I think they have vending machines for that, right?
Yeah. We
Yeah,
saw
there
in
you
the
go.
Oh.
Oh
preview.
yeah, we saw it in the preview.
Does it make it in time though? Because there are many minutes past already by now.
I mean, maybe it's enough. The problem is, I think they have like picture tutorial on what to do on the boxes.
usually.
Because I think that's the point, right? Because they want everyone to be able to use this, so they have
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, there you go.
But they are talking in Japanese.
I mean, they're all speaking in Japanese apparently.
The international language in this world.
Yeah.
What's that? Oh, level 40. Oh, nice censoring over there.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Good for her, but can you dispense another one? There's two-person here who
Yeah,
needs this.
for another one.
Okay, good. It works for her.
Okay, the
Move
other
to
one.
the other
Sui,
person.
Sui. How many minutes has passed?
Move to the other person. Hello?
The other one is dead. Yeah.
What do you mean? Wait, you can dispense
it's
two,
your-
but you chose to dispense only one?
Nah, I think you can only dispense one.
No,
This one is not a vending machine.
the captain just said, Boxo, do one for Shui. Like, huh? Why didn't you do it at the same time? Why didn't you?
No, I think he meant just redo what he did to me to Sui.
Sure, I guess whatever.
Don't blame yourself. It's like that's Eins from Overlord.
Yeah.
Also, that guy know that vending machine Kun here is an isekai person.
Mm.
Maybe that guy is Eins.
I don't think so. Also, did anyone pick up the coin?
No.
It was just left there.
He's a demon general, one of the four or something.
Ah.
The classic. Yeah,
Wait,
I'm the weakest of the
but how
thing
how does
something.
that work? Because we are not fighting some demon lord army here. We are just exploring a very big dungeon in the series.
Mm.
Somehow we just encounter.
Oh.
Oh, it's you. How many episodes has it been?
As always.
Actually, Lamis did pretty well in this fight. In fact, she was the one that finished the Lord of Souls.
Actually, we haven't seen her in a while.
Yeah. Ah ha ha ha.
Yeah, Michelle, you're the hero, right? You're supposed to be the one who beat the demon lord.
Well, he tried. Oh.
I'll bet my grandfather name on it.
Oh, Jesus. Okay, Kindaichi. I wonder if people know that reference, though.
Yeah, who cares? But
Uh-oh. 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 Oh, no, not for him.
go wear a mask. Yeah, I thought it was just simple. Just go to every lower stratum and then fight the stratum boss. That's it. But turns out there is Demon King and Demon Lords out down there.
Yeah.
It's kind of RPG, so
Next time the vice captain is joining, right?
Mm.
That's probably to the first place where you guys met. It's kind of cliche.
Of course, of course, yeah. They go back to the first time they met. I don't know about lucky.
Yeah. And it's because of your vending machine defibrillator that those two survive. So still in one of his listed skill earlier, there's one transformation skill. Does it transform him into a robot or something?
I don't know.
But instead of choosing the transformation skill, use the psychokinesis one.
Hmm. Maybe I don't know. Like, isn't his ability to transform into
Yo.
another vending
Oh.
machine already count as a transformation skill?
Yeah, I guess.
Wait a minute. Have you ever kissed a vending machine in real life?
I mean, who would want to kiss a vending machine in real life? It's going to be very dirty though.
Are you
Well,
implying this
destroyed
one
it.
isn't dirty?
I mean, I don't know.
Right?
Are you going to kiss the vending machine? Hey, come on, it's just a vending machine.
Actually, I mean,
Well,
okay.
you're kissing him in the eyes.
If they end up making a dojin about this, I'll be pretty confused.
Oh my god.
I don't think so.
What? Don't think so. There's always a
probably Boko
dojin
just sell her some dildo or something.
But
there's a dojin for everything.
but a vending machine. But you know what?
There's
Yeah,
a
just turn
dojin
it
about
into a dildo vending
freaking cars. Anything is possible.
Oh, good gods.
Wow.
Also, yes, I already know that there's going to be a second season.
Nice.
I saw the
Well,
announcement.
I guess this is very
Like-
popular then.
I think so. Wait, let me check.
Either that or they already have like the funds for 2 seasons.
What do you Google for that? Like popular airing anime in Japan. Is that the thing?
Maybe. Or we can
You
just
have
check
to type
how
it in Japanese, maybe.
how popular is Jidohan Bake.
No. Top anime, top airing. Ah, okay. I think
Japan?
this is it.
In Japan?
Maybe. Is it?
How do you know it's in Japan?
I don't know. This is in my anime list, so it's probably not in Japan.
In my anime,
Yeah.
it's not in Japan. They have like.
They have like some it's their own community. I don't know. Wait, let me check. In my anime list, this anime is not even in number. Is not in the not even in like the top 10. So
Yeah, that's why we
I-
watch it.
yeah, I don't know. I have no idea. Wait, most popular anime in Japan right now. What season is it right now?
For no, summer.
This is summer, right?
It's still summer.
Most popular anime.
Summer 2003.
Japan summer 2023. Best anime of summer. I don't. Is this in Japan or not? I don't know, man. Oh, there's something from Japan Web Magazine. Is this
Okay,
a
let's
thing?
try it.
Sure, I'll check that. And also something from japangeeks.com. Sure, I'll check that website too.
Hey.
I don't know if this is accurate or not, but who knows. Okay, for Japan Web, number 1 is Kimetsu no Yaiba. I'm going to slap
What?
someone. I am going to
Wait,
slap
is
someone.
it not like from last season?
Yeah, that is what? This doesn't make any sense.
This is
This list.
bullcrap.
Number 1 is Demon Slayer. Number 2 is Attack on Titan. Number 3 is Oshinoko. Number 4 is Spy Family, which hasn't come out yet. Who made
I
this
think
list?
first season.
Okay, I
Well, I
closed
can
that
check the-
useless website.
Who made that list?
All right. This is from japangeeks.com. Is this accurate? I don't know. Number 1 is Jujutsu Kaisen. Number 2 is Mushoku Tensei, and then Bleach,
Okay.
and then Horimiya, and
Horimiya?
and then My Happy Marriage, and then Masamune Kun's Revenge R, and then The Duke of Death and His Mate Season 2, Rent a Girlfriend Season 3. Is that this season?
What? This is it? I'm not
And then
watching
The
it, so I
Devil
don't
is a Part-Timer, second season, part 2, and then Gotobun. I am going to slap
know.
someone.
Go to
What the hell?
What? No, this isn't it, right? Is it? Actually, it is probably. Like number 13 is the girl who forgot her glasses. That's from
Okay,
this
okay.
season, I
Well,
know.
back to the main objective. Where is Jirohan Bagi?
Oh yeah, I'm checking. Wait. Number 14 is Raiza. Number 16 is Zob 100. 17 is Shiro Seijo. Jiro Hanbaiki is not in the top 20.
How does it score second season then?
I don't know. Well, I mean,
Well, they could have funds already prepared
Yeah.
for the second
sometimes
season, most
a
likely.
show, yeah, it's like what was that show that we watched? Yashin-chan Dropkick. I don't think it was
Yeah,
I
like
thought that one's
huge.
popular.
No, I don't think it was hugely popular, but they got a second season because of crowdfunding. So the fans, it's like a Kickstarter or something. I'm not sure, but
Hmm.
the fans, yeah, like
Yes, yes.
donated or collected a lot of money for a second season, and they do it. And then they got sponsored, I think by Hokkaido or something, for the third season. That's why the third season exists, and they heavily feature Hokkaido and also Miku, because Miku is promoting Hokkaido. Yeah, that also boosts the anime's popularity because of Miku, though, which is great.
Yeah,
But yeah,
it's become viral.
maybe this show they already have a deal for like a 2-season thing. It could be
Most
like
likely,
that, right? Yeah.
Since
Yeah,
they
makes
immediately
sense.
announced it.
Yeah. Well, all right. Yeah, I guess that's it. So I guess we'll see them fighting a demon lord in the second season. Sure. Maybe like next year or something. All right. That was Reborn as a Vending Machine, episode 12. Thank you for watching, and see you all in another series or in the second season. Who knows? Bye.